Welcome to this CIRAN massive open online course on mining in and near areas of protected nature. So this is the chapter 7, solutions adopted in EU strategic extractive project Sakatti in Finland. My name is Toni Eerola. I am a philosophy and licentiate, a geologist. I have studied in Brazil and Finland and carried out mineral exploration, mapping and research in Finland and abroad. I have worked in private companies and universities, and I have been working in GTK, Geological Survey of Finland, since 2012. Now I'm integrating the Mineral Intelligence Group at GTK. And my work is basically concentrated on social license to operate, mining dispute, following the mining debate, mining skeptical movement, and see corporate social responsibility and environmental and social governance. And I work mainly with the EU projects like CIRAN, for example. And I have a PhD thesis on these subjects in preparation. It will be in the University of Eastern Finland in environmental politics. And the topic is related to socio-political geology applied for mining disputes in Finland. And I call myself, because of these interests and work, as a social geologist. Well, CIRAN has some case studies from Finland, which are in Natura 2000 areas. So they are among the most important mineral deposit discoveries of last decade. So we have found here Ikkari, Rompas Rajapalot, and Sakatti. And Rompas Rajapalot and Sakatti are located in Natura 2000 areas, which brings several challenges for their exploitation. And all of these are located in Lapland, northern Finland. And here is the kind of summary of CIRAN of Sakatti project. So it is a nickel, copper, PG, cobalt deposit, very important one. The intention of the company is to go underground and not to touch in the protected area. It is in a stage of planning. It has been explored since 2004 and 2011. The Anglo-American by Sakatti Mining Oy company in Finland announced its discovery. And really, it is located in protected area of Natura 2000, and there is also Meyer protection program within that area. And the location it is located in Sodankylä, Lapland, in northern Finland. It integrates the special reindeer herding area, which is an important local livelihood, and it is 4 kilometers from Sodankylä, beside the road to north from Sodankylä, at the margin of Natura 2000 area. This Natura 2000 area is based on Meyer protection program, which was established. Natura 2000 was established during 1990s before exploration started, and it is a recreation and reindeer herding area. And regarding its geology, so it is located in Paleoproterozoic Central Lapland Greenstone Belt. It is important nickel, copper, cobalt, PG deposit. And the main deposit is located 500 meters below the surface, and minor satellite deposit is found at the depth of 300 meters. It is covered by quaternary till and peat deposits, and the exploration has been made by boulder tracing, geochemistry, geophysics, and drilling. And Sodankylä, the region where the Sakatti is located, is an important mining district. Kevitsa nickel, copper, cobalt mine and Pahtavaara gold mine are located in the region. And it is also a place of intense mineral exploration, where the recent discovery of the Ikkari gold deposit was made. And regarding social aspects of the project, so the company since the beginning have applied active stakeholder engagement and communication, and local acceptance has been high. And municipality has been favorable. There is, however, a local opposition represented by reindeer herders, local NGOs like Save Viankiapa and Sompio Friends of Nature, which is a member organization of the Finnish Association for Nature Conservation, the FANC. And this is the major environmental NGO in Finland, which is a kind of umbrella organization for provincial and local level organizations. And also there has been direct action, non-violent resistance by extinction rebellion to stop drilling in Natura 2000 area. And a company actually recognizes that it is opposed and operates in a sensitive context in its responsibility reports, which is quite rare in the mining industry. The company has also practiced benefit sharing, distributional fairness, like sponsoring local cultural and sport events, local cultural and sport associations, and offered scholarships for mining-related studies. And the current situation and challenges of the project is that recently the environmental permit application was declined by the environmental authorities, and this is because the company cannot show in its environmental impact assessment that the maintenance of the water level in the marsh, protected marsh, will be constant. So, and if this is not maintained, there can be impact on the local ecosystem. And there has been a need for change in legislation. So this marsh protection program status of the area need to be dismantled by legislative measures. And permit will be decided by the government, and of course European Union will be consulted. However, because of the Mining Act renovation in 2023, a municipality has the right to land use planning of a mine. And the municipality has been in favor of the mine. And there has been also community contract in preparation by the municipality. However, as the project was selected as a strategic one within the Critical Raw Materials Act, this imposes some challenges for this picture, and we don't know yet how this will be handled and which consequences and implications this brings to this permitting. And here is a summary of characteristics of the project. So the Sakatti project, it is held by Sakatti Mining Oy, which is a parent company of Anglo American, which is British. So important nickel, copper, and PG project. The issues and context is that it is in Natura 2000 and Maya protection program. There is a recreation and reindeer herding in the area. Contentious actors are the Finnish Association for Nature Conservation, Save Viankiapa movement, Extinction Rebellion, and reindeer herders. There are low-impact exploration technologies like closed-circuit drilling and full tensor radiometry. And strategies adopted by the company within this context are that they go underground, they do ecological compensation, they have practiced stakeholder engagement and communication. And the current situation that environmental impact assessment was approved, but the environmental license was not not approved because of the uncertainty of maintenance of the water level in the mire. And there is a need for legislation change for environmental permit. However, the status is that under the CRMA, it was chosen recently as a strategic project. And the current situation and challenges of the project is that recently the environmental permit application was declined by the environmental authorities, and this is because the company cannot show in its environmental impact assessment that the maintenance of the water level in the protected marsh will be constant. So, and if this is not maintained, there can be impact on the local ecosystem. And there has been a need for change in legislation. So this marsh protection program status of the area need to be dismantled by legislative measures. And permit will be decided by the government, and of course European Union will be consulted. However, because of the Mining Act renovation in 2023, a municipality has the right to land use planning of a mine. And the municipality has been in favor of the mine. And there has been also community contract in preparation by the municipality. However, as the project was selected as a strategic one within the Critical Raw Materials Act, this imposes some challenges for this picture, and we don't know yet how this will be handled and which consequences and implications this brings to this permitting. And now I would like to make you some questions regarding the project for food for thought. So how to avoid impact on Natura 2000 in exploration and extraction? 2, who are the important stakeholders to take into account? What livelihoods and activities need to be taken into account in this case? So I would like to thank you, and this was a CIRAN project presentation. Thank you very much, and see you.